Hello friends, this is an introductory module of our StratPro software in which I am going to explain you a simple hierarchy of designing this structure. StratPro is a matrix method based analysis software in which we will study analysis of framed structure, its design as well as its quantitative estimation. The topics covered in successive lectures are designing and analysis of multi-story framed structure with gravity loading, gravity plus wind loading, gravity plus seismic loading and its combinations. We will also deal with the truss members and its analysis, and later we will see and work out example of framed structure. Now this slide is showing a simple hierarchy of designing and analysis of a structure. Firstly, as always, we provide a name and reference of our project called introduction. Then a step further, we will model our structure with the help of Cartesian coordinates of our plane frame structure, which are known to us in our modeling part. Then a step ahead, we will assuming material properties to our member elements, which we can predefine. Further, in the next step, we will define supports and boundary conditions of our member elements, whether the joints are fixed, rigid, pinned or restrained, etc. In fifth step, we will assigning different loading acting on our structure, that is primary load, which is caused due to dead load, and secondary load such as live load, wind load and seismic load, and their response on our structure. Then after assigning all these, that is member properties, material properties and loading conditions and response system, now we can do our preliminary analysis and can easily check out the response of our structure for given loading definitions. Now this slide is showing an indexing view of our StratPro screen, which is seen. At top of the screen there is a menu bar containing drop down panel menu from where we can access our tools easily. Then next to that it is toolbar containing different tools for designing our structure and for viewing our structure from different views. Then on the left corner box is known as page bar, which itself allow you to design and model a structure in a hierarchical way, which we discussed before. Then the main screen. This is the project working area where we can see how our project and model is designed perfectly or not. Then on the right hand side box, it is data area from where we can easily input any data to our structure with several references given to every member. And here at the bottommost bar, we can see the space coordinate of our cursor and other screen details. So here I had give you a small introductory about StratPro software and its hierarchy. So here we will finish our small introduction of StratPro software. In next lecture we will see how it works. Thank you.